Hey guys, it's been a while that I've actually showed my face. You might see there's still some wounds. I had like a bad, my skin was really bad, so I didn't want to show my face too much on videos. But today we are actually not going here at the Samsung cafe, but we are going next door here to DJI. As you might know, DJI released a new drone, the Mavic 2. It comes in two versions, the Mavic 2 Zoom and the Mavic 2 Pro. The main difference between the two are the cameras. The Mavic 2 Pro got a 20 megapixel 1-inch sensor with a 28mm lens with an aperture you can change from f2.8 to f11, and it got color profiles like the D-Log-M HLG in 422 10-bit. The Mavic 2 Zoom got a 12 megapixel sensor similar to the one in the Mavic Air. However, the Zoom got a zoom lens of 24 to 48 millimeters. However, it's a variable aperture that changes from 2.8 to 3.8 when you zoom in. Also, it does not have D-Log-M and HLG and 10-bit. It only have like a D-Cine-alike at 8-bit. The Pro is really for professional who really needs to have the large latitude to work with in post-production while grading. Well, with the zoom you can do an in-camera dolly zoom effect, or zoom in so you don't need to fly the extra distance. Improvement over the previous version, the flight time is now from 27 to 31 minutes and the maximum transmission distance has improved from 7 kilometers to 8. And the top speed in sport mode has improved from 65 to 72. They added an LED on the bottom for landing at night and they added tons of sensors to avoid collision. The new remote is in a grey color and it got removable thumbstick like the remote of the Mavic Air. The new remote can now recharge your iPhone while using it, while in the previous version was only possible with Android devices. And on the side they have now added a tripod mode next to the positioning and sports mode. With the Mavic 2 Fly More kit you get quite a large bag which is bigger than the previous. Also included is a new charger which is much nicer because it uses less space when charging. Also included is a car charger cable so you can recharge your batteries while traveling by car. The Mavic 2 uses low noise blades, so let's listen to the difference between the Mavic Air, the Mavic Platinum and the Mavic 2. Which of the Mavic 2 would you go for, the one with the zoom or the one with the Pro Hasselblad camera? So that was the first look at the Mavic 2 at the DJI Flagship store. Hopefully you guys like this video and please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more upcoming videos, please hit that subscribe button here below and also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys the next time. Bye bye.